Hello and welcome to GCSE English. This topic is about narrative structure. So you need to be able to explore how a text has been organized in order to develop ideas and engage the reader. So there are a few structural devices used within narrative structure. You should be aware of the different ways in which a story can be told and the effects that these different devices can have. For example, if you look at the narrative structure here, the first person narrative emphasizes thought and emotion, can heighten suspense as the narrator doesn't know everything. A third person narrative allows more breadth of character, settings, and also events as well. A linear narrative, events happen in a familiar chronological order, so in order of their events, helping to establish a particular plot. A non-linear narrative, events are not chronological, such as flashbacks, so we focus on the ideas of themes rather than the plot itself. A dual narrative has two different narrators telling the story, allowing different viewpoints. Multiform, on the other hand, offers other types of writing are included, such as diary entries, texts, newspaper cuttings to add variety and realism to the English. Shifts in mood, changes in mood can grip the reader and keep us thinking. Plot twist, surprising the reader rather than being obvious, creates a more enjoyable read. And a cliffhanger at the end, ending a paragraph or chapter with a problem, makes us read on for the resolution. So always think about the exact terms of start, middle, and end, and what do the first few paragraphs actually do? How is this developed in the middle? What is revealed, changed, or resolved in the last paragraphs? When exploring how a story is setting out to engage the reader, think about what is it actually doing. Is your extract establishing character or the setting or the plot itself, or is it like a combination of all of them? So think about how the start, middle, and end provide different things to engage the reader. Explore the effect of any specific structural devices and consider how a mood is established and developed. All of these things by remembering what narrative structure actually means. So within the actual structural devices, narrative structure is very important. And if you didn't know these particular narrative structures, then this is a good opportunity for you to actually read through these in detail and learn these ready for your GCSE English exams. You've got some follow-up questions to answer on this topic. Good luck with this, and we'll follow this up and review these questions in our next class. Take care.